All right, I got a call from a potential buyer out of state, and she went on Facebook Marketplace and saw this fifth wheel that looked just right for her. The seller said he was renovating the interior. Facebook Marketplace. Anyway, she heard all the horror stories and make sure you get an inspection, which that was a good thing for her to do. And she asked me to go take a look. What I found would have cost her thousands of dollars if she would have bought it. You gotta watch this.
All right, look at this beauty. Here she is. We've been talking about that. She's excited. Let's get a closer look. This is what inspectors do already under the slide. It's missing some sealant. That doesn't... All right. Hold on a second. Let's climb the ladder, which is the hardest part for me. What? Black roof? What? Hold on a minute. Wait, look at that. See that trim right there? See that? That's called vinyl insert. That's supposed to cover up those screw heads. You can see the screws all the way down here. That's to prevent water from getting in. And look at the top of the slide out. This thing is a mess. Wow. Okay. I'm noticing, let's look at the slide seal that goes all the way down. I want to take a good look. Oh, it's coming off right there. That's going to need re-glued, typically, that little piece that comes out. But I have a feeling, oh, wait, look at that. Oh man, look at that hole. That is water intrusion city. That's a big hole in that bulb seal right there on the slide out. Okay, listen, I have already seen, here we are on top of the roof. Wow, the black it's been worn out. It's usually white on top. What in the world? Looks like a tree fell on this thing. This is crazy. I can't believe it. Remember, looked great on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, this is the front. Oh man, the lap seal, it's terrible. The front end cap, see all those cracks in the lap seal? Every one of those gaps allows water to get in. This thing has seen plenty of water, I can tell you that right now. Show me your RV's roof, I'll show you its future. The future of this is looking bleak. That's all I need to know. When I get off this roof, I know this thing is a disaster. Tape on the shroud of the air conditioner, what's that all about? And look at all the branches laying. This is just crazy. I have to tell you, this is one of the worst roofs I've looked at. Typically, when they're this bad, no one's going to pay an inspector to come and look at it. But she didn't know. She lives out of state. Look, the tape on top of the vent cover. Let's look closer at the skylight. I bet the lap sealant, it's a mess. Look at that. Look at those big, huge cracks. See all that? Water intrusion, water intrusion, water intrusion. This thing, the problem here, we are in Texas. Once water gets inside, look at these are the plumbing vents. Look at all the lap sealant crack. Once water gets in your RV here in Texas, mold sets in right away because of the heat. And there are signs of water intrusion over this entire thing. Everywhere I turn, water intrusion, water intrusion, water intrusion. That is the death. Okay, now we're looking underneath. Look at the underbelly. Bam! It's got a big gap there. It's fallen down. What's this electrical tape over top of the plumbing? Okay, this is, wow. This is this is interesting here. Look how bad that is. Who knows what's climbed up there? The seals under here, I see some, look at that. Those gaps in the seals, that's not good, people. This right here this is a handful right now. And this inspection is, I'm taking you along here, but it's taking a long time. There's so much to look at and so much to examine. The underbelly, look at all the rust. Let's look real close here. We're going to see, let's look. Wait, sorry about that. Come with me here underneath if I can get under here. Okay, look at the cobweb, huge cobweb. Look at that. That tire's got rust, cobwebs. Oh. Now, in the RV world, this is what neglect looks like. All this that we're looking like, this is just the exterior, but this is what neglect looks like, and neglect gets expensive. Now, right here, goodness, look what happened. They took that, what in the world, that trim, and they tied it on the back. Maybe they were dragging it, I don't know. And then let's look over here where the ladder ties in. Look at the gaps there, look at the holes there. Wow, this is... Okay, now here we are inside, and this is the moisture meter. See the red? See the red? 37.4. Bad news, people. That's bad news. That means there is definitely water intrusion. The moisture meter, it does not lie. 46, 47% on that wall. Let's look over here. Okay, let's look on this side over here by the slide, the window. It is constantly hitting 47, 40. That means water intrusion for sure. Look at that big tear right there.
The RV looked great online, but inspections don't lie. This is exactly how small issues turn into big repair bills. If you want to keep making lifelong memories with your RV without costly surprises, keep watching my videos. All right, this is RV Brian signing off. Make sure you like and subscribe. And remember, show me your RV's roof, I'll show you its future.